Hi everybody, I'm Ange and I'm just here today. I'm going to show you the ultimate mixing bowl set with the splash guard. Now this set comes in 3 bowls, they all have lids. They all nest together very well, as you can see, for easy storage, like so. Now the splash guard, I actually love this feature. It actually proves really good as a strainer. Pop that up there. And it actually fits on all the bowls. It has these ridges, so the little bowl will sit within that one, as so. And in that you can put, for example, I have a bar mix, so that will mix very well in there without any splashes. That splash guard will then go also on the middle ring, which is that one, top, and sits quite firm. It doesn't seal, but it sits quite firm. So, and then of course it will go in or on the bigger one. Now, also again for mixing, but this also has a feature of a strainer on it. So when you might have salad or something you want to pop in there, and then you tip it out, you just tip the water out using that strainer. It might be pasta or rice or whatever you strain, really. So that is the mixing bowls. Oh, they've also got measurements. Don't know whether you can see, try to, on the side here, sort of a shiny bit, you can't really see it, the light's not right. Oh, there you go, you can see that. So that goes up to 3.5 litres on that side, and this has ounces on that side. So metric here and imperial there. They're also a shiny base inside, not so much the bottom, but about halfway up. They're shiny. Now I made the cherry ripe self-saucing pudding in this the other day, and I used a spatula, and I could not believe how well that actually mixed, and it actually scraped right off the sides. So today I'm going to use these to make my hamburgers, so I'll leave that for now. Now that's the mixing bowls. The other set I want to show you is, well, it comes with a spatula. It's I think it's called the Prep Baking Set, and it's got the 5 measuring spoons, the measuring jug, which has got litres down here, but it also has measurements along here. So as you're pouring out liquid, that starts with the bigger number there. See that, 800 there, then 6, then 4, then 2. Now as you're pouring, you can actually see how much liquid is going into whatever you're mixing or pouring it into through that. It also has litres down that side as well, so plenty of room there too. Plenty of measurements on this one. It also has this little handle, which I do believe may be able to be used as a funnel, as you can see. And it also, when it's probably got something in here, would be better. I'll just put the Turbo Chef in there for now. There is the spatula in the handle. So if you're not using it, you just pop it up there, but I wouldn't trust it unless you had a fairly heavy, because it'll just tip over, as you can see. So that's those. Now I'm going to be using this today. I'll give you a quick demo on this as well. This is our Turbo Chef, the little sister or little brother of the Extra Chef. And it's got 3 blades. It has a cover so that you can protect your fingers when it's not in use. 3 very, very, very sharp blades that actually sit on a little pin in the middle there. Goes in there. Pop whatever you're chopping, small stuff like garlic, an onion, herbs, nuts, all that sort of thing. Pop the lid on and then simply pull to chop whatever you've got in there. So I'll be doing an onion for my beef burgers very shortly. Now the other thing I will be using, and I'll do that later, is the Hamburger Press and of course the multi-scoops, which come in this oyster container for storage, but I'll run through those in a minute too. That'll do for now. I don't want to keep you too long, so any questions, please just fire them at me in the comments. I love answering questions, finding out answers, solving problems. Okay, so I'll leave you with that for now, and I'll be back to do the hamburgers shortly.